Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PowerPoint app and signing in so your cloud files sync. This saves version headaches later. Once signed in, pick a template or choose blank, then set the aspect ratio, 16, 9 for screens, 4, 3 for older projectors, because layout affects composition. Next, import slides or drag images and move placeholders to establish hierarchy. This first structure guides every following edit, so make deliberate choices, now to save time, when you refine content and visuals. You now shape the middle of the deck by editing the master slide so fonts, colors, and logos apply universally. This avoids slide-by-slide fixes. Once done, add animations and transitions, but keep durations consistent to maintain rhythm. Use subtle motion for emphasis, not distraction. Also insert audio or video clips and add hyperlinks where needed, then write speaker notes for cues. These detailed steps ensure visual consistency and functional media, making the presentation cohesive and easier to rehearse. You complete the process by proofreading and running accessibility checks to catch reading order or color contrast issues. Make fixes, then rehearse timings in presenter view so delivery matches slides. After that, export to PDF for distribution or to MP4 video if you need narration baked in. Choose resolution and include notes when necessary. Finally, share via link or attachment and set permissions carefully. If something breaks, like missing media, relink files or reinsert assets, then re-export to confirm the final package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.